Okay, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Imacom Studio, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get text effects like this, as you are seeing it exactly like this. Any kind of text effect you want. You want a you are trying to use a particular text effect and you don't know how to get it. You don't know where to download from. I'll show you how to get it with AI using AI prompt. So any text effect you want to use, if you just follow this tutorial, you are going to get it and use it for your design. Okay, let's start. So this is the particular text effect I want to use for my design. So I search for it. This is Pinterest. This is Pinterest application. This is Pinterest application. So you search for text effect. You see different text effect. You select the one you need. Then I'll download it. Click on that three dotted icon. Then download it. I've downloaded it. So now I'm going to move to my Google Gemini app. This is the Gemini app. So I'll open it. If you don't have it, download it. Then when you open it like this, click on create image. Then there's a plus icon close to under that describe your image. Click on the plus icon. Click on gallery to take you to where the image is. I'll click on the image. Then add it. So now is the next thing is to put the prompt. Then insert the prompt. So what I wrote is change the bold right up Vikings to Kingdom by Power. So I'm going to send it, and I'm sure of what I've written. I'm going to send it. So it's going to start generating the image. It doesn't take long. It depends on your network speed. So just a second, it's already generating. Just wait for it. So it's almost done. It's almost done. So our image should be ready within few seconds. We just wait for it. Okay, so this is it. Now have the text. So see the original image and then see the one AI created, Kingdom by Power. So now, but we don't want it to be like this. So we want this other text at the down part to be removed and the ones below. So I'm going to type, I'll customize it by typing remove the text, remove all the text and items below the kingdom by power text, or instead of below I'll make it under. You need to know how to write it for the thing to understand what you mean. So remove all the text and items under the kingdom by power text. So I will send it, and let's wait for what is going to give us. Just a second. So this thing you can actually customize it. If you want to add lighting, more lighting effect, you have to describe the lighting effect. Whatever you want, you just need to know how to write it for the AI to understand what you want. So you can see. So this is how the thing was before, and then this is how it is now. So all the details under it are now out. So that is it. So when you are done, you click on the image. There is a save icon at the top right. So you click on the save icon. It's downloading full size. Okay. So if you want it like this, you can use it like this. But if you want to use it for your maybe a flyer design, you want to use it for a particular design, and you are going to remove this background. So remove to PixArt. That's what I used to remove my background. So PixArt application. Open it. Wait for it to come up. Click on this plus icon at the bottom part of the screen. So edit an image. Then I'll select that particular text. So this is it. So what I will do now, at the down part of the screen, you see some options. So you see remove BG. Click on that remove BG, and then it will remove the black background so that it will be only the text. So when you are inserting it into your flyer design, it will not come with background. So the background is now out. So I'll click on the save icon at the top. So it's now saved to my device. So let me move to Pixelab. I'll move to Pixelab, then let me delete this one. Move to Pixelab, then I will insert the text effect or the text that I've done. So this is it. You see, very easy, very easy. You see it. This is it. So that is how to get text effect to use for your design. So just in case um, you need text effect like this, you can use this prompt to get text effect, different types of text effects. We go to Pixelab, we go to Pinterest, we move to Pinterest. You can even search, you can search for 3D text effect. I will search for 3D text effect, 3D text effects. So you can see. So all these text effects you are seeing here, you can get all these text effects using that step by step practice I showed you. All these text effects you are seeing here, if you anyone you like, you can create it. You can get it using that um, prompt I gave to you. So pay attention to the tutorial and then understand the process. You can recreate anything that you are seeing here, anyone at all. Yes. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will reply you. Yes. And please subscribe to this channel so that this video can reach out to others that are in need of text effects like this. There are many people in need of things like this. Yes. So make sure you subscribe. You can share it if you want. Share the video so others can learn also. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class.